Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will cover consonants, which is a literary technique. Consonants basically is a literary technique, a technique that makes your writing beautiful. The use of it makes it very musical. So we will discuss this today, and there's a separate playlist of literary forms and devices on my channel. You can go and check that out. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What is consonance? So consonance is a literary technique. Consonance is the repetition of a sequence of two or more consonants but with a change in the intervening vowel. So basically consonants, by using consonants you use similar consonant sounds. Okay, you use consonants, but the vowels which are there in these continuous consonantal words are different in sounds. Okay, so basically it is the repetition of identical or similar consonants in neighboring words, and the vowels are basically different. They are not same. If you see these examples here, live, love, there is a repetition of the consonant L, but live, love, the arrangement of vowel is different. Similarly, if you see these examples here, lean, alone, pitter, patter, there is a consonant word but it is repeated. Okay, the consonant is repeated but the vowel arrangement, pitter and patter, the sound of I and A are different, the vowel sounds are different. The next one is slip, slop, the consonant sound slip, slop, but their arrangement of vowels is different. Similarly, creak and croak. The next example is black and block. There is a repetition of the consonant sound, but the vowel sound is different. Another example of consonants is from the famous W.H. Auden's poem, Oh, Where Are You Going? Here you have the arrangement of consonant sounds, but the vowel sounds are different here. Reader to rider, rider to reader, fairer to fairer, and hearer to horror. The vowels are same. The vowel sounds are the vowel sounds are different, but they are similar consonant sounds. So that was all about the literary technique consonants. It's very easy, and it's very easy to recognize, and you can also make your own sentences and make your writing more beautiful, and even it gives us such a beautiful musical effect to the poems when you speak and even when you write. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning and keep growing.